Hello, my name's Peter and welcome to my home in North London. I'd like to take you on a tour of the downstairs of my house and teach you some really useful English vocabulary. And along the way, you're going to meet a friend of mine. He's a French student called Leo, who's been staying with us for a week to learn English. I hope you enjoy the tour. Okay, Leo, I'm going to include you in this show. So this is a little tour of my house, and you can show your parents when you go home. So this is the living room, and there is the television, and there in the corner, do you see, is our armchairs, and then here we have the sofa.
Yes.
And in the corner there is a nice reading lamp with the curly things going up to the light itself. And here is the piano. Sorry. Okay. And then walking through the house, we when you come in from the outside, you have the hall. And there is an antique doll's house in the hall, a very old doll's house. And here you have the staircase going up to the first floor. Okay? And you can see on the left-hand side there is a banister, or it's sometimes called a handrail, that was put there for my mother-in-law, Susie's mother, when she was very old, so she wouldn't fall. And then here we have the central heating control. It's the thermostat to control the temperature of the whole house. Then we come into, we have an unusual house with two kitchens. We have a rear kitchen where we actually eat. I'm sorry about the washing hanging up drying. And here, I'll try and hide the washing, is the dresser. This is an original dresser that was put in the house when it was built in 1912. So it's been here for over 100 years, a very long time. Okay, in this room here, we have the downstairs bathroom. It used to be a pantry. A pantry is where all the food was kept in the old days.
Yeah.
Because it was the cool room of the house. Now it is a bathroom. There's a toilet and we have a shower in the corner. And then moving over here, this is a fireplace. Well, it was a fireplace.
Yeah.
And there used to be, we think, a cooker. It was called a range cooker, and it would have been heated by coal for cooking. Now it is where I keep my wine. And then we have the main kitchen through here, and this is a fitted kitchen. A fitted kitchen is called a fitted kitchen because it is fitted by craftsmen. So it has a marble worktop. This is a worktop here, and we have cupboards, and we have here a cooker. It is a gas cooker, and there is an oven at the bottom for baking, and then in the middle here there is a grill, and then we have burners, which are gas burners for cooking, a toaster for cooking toast, a kettle for the Englishman's tea, and we have drawers. We have lots of lovely drawers. This fitted kitchen is solid wood. It was really nice quality, which we got at a very reasonable price. And this is a sink, and here we have taps, which we've just had replaced because the ones were leaking that we had fitted. And this is the dishwasher, and up here is the boiler for heating the central heating. And here are double doors going straight into the garden, and we call them a French window.
Okay.
I don't know why we call them a French window, but anything where you have two doors going direct into the garden, we call it a French window. And we have table and chairs, and then we have here the washing machine for the clothes, and above them, this is now our pantry, where we keep food and things that won't go bad, basically, like pasta. Our fridge, which is 20 years old, and when I redecorated the kitchen, I thought, shall I buy a new fridge? And I thought, no, it's working perfectly, but it was so badly scratched that I painted it again with enamel paint. and it looks actually okay. It was awful before. It looked like it had fallen off a lorry, and I've restored it, and it works. It's a brilliant little fridge. And then down the bottom is the freezer, and again you have drawers down here with the various things to feed you during your stay. And here we have a coffee machine, and that is the end of my little tour.